everybody. My name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Well, spring is here. Well, maybe not everywhere, but here in Virginia, well, we still get some cold weather, maybe even freezing, but it has been nice. We've had daffodils and the tulips popping up out of the ground with their bright yellows and their pinks and purples all over our property. It's been wonderful. Lately, it seems like everything I cook, I am now noticing I want that pop of color. So today, our recipe has a pop of red, a deep dark green, against a background of beige and creamy white. Sounds like a painting, huh? Well, today's recipe is chicken and bacon penne pasta. Makes me hungry. And it's all done pretty much in one pan. So gather up your ingredients. I have all my things. I'm ready to go. And like I always say, let's get cooking. In this pan, I cooked my 4 slices of bacon and chopped them all up. We're going to set that aside, but we are going to be using this pan. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our chicken, which I use chicken thighs. I just have always used them. These are boneless, skinless, and I've chopped them up so they're about that size. And we are going to go ahead and cook these until they're no longer pink. And these are our chicken spices, and we're going to just sprinkle these over. And let these cook. You can use chicken breast if you want to use chicken breast. I believe the original recipe back in old Italy used probably chicken breast. They probably didn't use thighs, but I like thighs. Now the chicken spices are the salt and pepper, the Italian seasoning, the basil, the smoked paprika, and you just kind of mix it up in a little bowl and sprinkle it all over the chicken. This is really a very simplistic version of maybe what could be a whole lot more complicated, but okay, looks like all the pink is gone. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our 2 cloves of garlic. Right there. Okay, let's stir that all in. The next thing we're going to add is our cream, which is a half a cup. Our cup of Parmesan. And about a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to stir that all in. And then right on top of that, we are going to add our fresh spinach. And I measure it by 2 handfuls. So 2 handfuls, however, but 2 handfuls. And we're going to cook this until it just starts to wilt. About like that. Then we are going to add our pasta. And I cooked this earlier and it's all rinsed and was just waiting. And we're going to add our fresh little tomatoes. They're all cut in half. We're going to stir this all up. Until it's all coated. Like that. Then we're going to take our bacon. We're going to top it with some nice crispy bacon. Some fresh parsley. And this is ready to enjoy. There you go. I hope you had fun. This was super fast, super easy, super yummy. This is the kind of meal you can make in the middle of the week when you don't have a lot of time and you just want to kick back and put your feet up. Grab yourself a nice glass of red wine and some crunchy, hot Italian bread of some kind, whether it's seeded or garlic, and just enjoy. Well, until next time, I will see you again, I hope, here with the Happiest Cook. Bye now.